Ano naman yung degree of novelty? Degree of novelty sa innovation. So, pag sinabi mong degree of novelty, yun yung level of originality and creativeness. So, doon pumapasok yung originality at saka pagiging creative nung gumagawa ng innovation, whether it's a group or an individual. So, ibig sabihin, ah, ano yung level, yung degree of novelty, ibig sabihin, ano yung degree o anong level yung originality at anong level yung creativity na nilagay mo dun sa product. Yung mga nagpapapatent, di ba? Yun yung sinasabi nilang merong high degree of novelty o high degree of novelty in innovation. So, yun yung importanteng malalaman natin because lalo na sa software at saka sa hardware, yan. Papasok dyan yung degree of novelty. Those are some concepts na as software engineers and as hardware engineers, as CS and IT students, yan yung dapat mga concepts na dagdag sa atin. Added concepts yan sa atin. Hindi natin dapat yan kinakalimutan because we're supposed to innovate things para mapadali yung buhay ng kapwa natin at ng ating mga sarili at mapabuti yung ating mga pamilya. So, yun lang po.